Hi, welcome to Step by Step Engineering. Today we're going to restore headlights on a vehicle that are pretty much hazed over. If you look at this Grand Marquis, it's a 99, it's 25 some years old. You can see that this isn't going to really light up anything, especially in the dark. You don't need to replace the headlight, you just need to get rid of this junk on here. What I do is I go to Walmart and I buy a kit that has these little pads on them. There's actually a couple different kinds that I have. And it also comes with a small bottle of something like this, but get this bottle, this larger one. It's called Plastics. Great for headlights. If you don't have this, you can always use toothpaste. This kit also comes with a bunch of different sandpapers and stuff. Throw these away, don't use them. If you use this the wrong way, you're going to scratch your headlight and then you're going to have to replace it. You don't have to use the sandpaper unless it's really that bad. And this is only going to take 10 minutes to do. So let's do this quick and easy. So what we'll do is we'll take one of these pads, one that's a non-abrasive one, that's spongy. And then what I'm going to do is put a paper towel over on top of it. And then just put a rubber band over it to hold it. Like that. I'm going to shake this stuff up. And it's going to start raining on us.
Yep. I don't know if you can see the water droplets or not. It's kind of funny.
But we'll just put a little bit of this stuff on and just work it in real slow. Don't go fast at first because you're going to shoot it everywhere. Just work it in and then we'll speed it up. Make sure your cordless drill battery is completely charged up because you're going to give it an overdrive. And you're going to use it up pretty quick, the battery. So you see how I got this all going on here? Now we got it pretty much smoothed out. Now we're going to go full speed. Again, if you wanted to use toothpaste, that's fine too. But this stuff's not that expensive. It's maybe $8 for that bottle. It's going to last you a really long time. But as you can tell, it's already eating up some of this stuff. Look at that yellow that's coming off on that paper towel. So if your paper towel rips or whatever, just put a whole new one on there. It's no problem. Paper towels are cheap, right? Make sure you work it out through the whole headlight. If you have side headlights too, make sure you get those too. The ones on this car aren't that bad, so I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit a few minutes. We'll pause the video and we're going to go ahead and polish this off. Okay, just let this sit a couple of minutes. You want to just do one headlight at a time because you don't want this stuff to dry. You just want it to get kind of glazed over, just like when you would wax a car. Let's go ahead and just polish this stuff off and see how we did. Again, you're not pressing that hard. Let the drill do the work. Just press down a little bit. Just a couple pounds of force is the most. I didn't even spend 5 minutes on this headlight. The most amount of time was me waiting 2 minutes for this to haze over a little bit. So go ahead, Joe, take a look at that headlight versus that headlight and see if you can tell the difference.
I sure can. That looks great.
You're going to be able to see in the dark with this guy. This guy, you can't pick out a skunk or anything. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like.